Hi from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Citroen DS3 here on a 64 plate, which is 2014, 2015. Just going to show you how to reset the service light basically on this. Now this is the car, if you've got the same one and you've got this light come on or the spanner light, which in this case it says minus 300, as you can see right there. So that's what we're going to get rid of. So to do it, it's quite simple. Now all you need to do is press and hold this button. At the same time you switch the ignition on, and on the right hand side there it will be a countdown from 10 seconds. So when it goes down to 0, you then let go of the button, switch the ignition off. That should reset it. Right, all I'm going to do now, I've got an extra hand on me now, so I'm going to press and hold this button, switch the ignition on. As you can see right there, the countdown has begun. So as soon as we get to 0, we let go, switch the ignition off, and now start the car up. As you can see right there, it says oil okay, no spanner warning light, nothing at all, and the service light's gone as well. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else, you can check out the playlist for Citroen or the service resets. Do please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, goodbye.